I started developing a slight headache every afternoon. It got worse and worse over time and got fairly debilitating. Hi, I'm Greg McGowan. I'm from North New Jersey. I'm a patient of Dr. Kaufman. After my fourth son was born, shortly after, I started developing a slight headache every afternoon. It got worse and worse over time and got fairly debilitating. I went to multiple neurologists, multiple doctors, multiple pain management specialists, multiple spine specialists in order to find relief. I tried multiple drugs, surgical solutions like nerve blocks and nerve injections, and finally nerve ablations. The nerve ablations gave me full relief, but for a very short period of time, about 3 months or so, before all the pain came back. And it wasn't until Dr. Kaufman's surgery that after 6 years of this that I'm finally feeling some relief. As a father of four, a husband, my life is very, very busy, and having a migraine around 4 boys is not a fun experience. It's very difficult when you can't go out and teach the kids how to play baseball and throw a ball and play football. When you go to school events, you have a guy in the noise canceling headphones and you can't be around loud music. So my wife was telling the story about my headaches to her hairdresser, and her hairdresser goes, "You need to see this guy. He's a plastic surgeon." So my wife tells me the story, and I've heard chiropractor, I've heard, the needles in the back, I've heard all yoga, all sorts of alternative stuff. And I started looking into Dr. Kaufman online, and when I realized that, he's the guy you go to if you really hurt your neck in a car accident, for example, I'm like, all right, maybe there's something to this. So I went and I met him in person, and he was very nice. He was very friendly. He answered all my questions. We went through my past history. He thought I'd be a very good candidate for the surgery. On the day of the surgery, I showed up. I don't remember much of that day. I remember waking up on the car on the way home and just not feeling the headache and thinking that this was amazing. I didn't expect to feel this good this quickly afterwards. The 6 years of sedentary lifestyle from the headache has caught up with me. I don't have nearly the energy level that I used to, but I'm working on, doing a little bit of cardio and getting that back up, with the exception of my neck gets a little kinked up when I sleep, and I'm going to physical therapy to work that out. But I have full range of motion. I have no pain during the day. I have no headaches during the day. So if you're out there and you're struggling, look for treatments, consider surgery, whatever you need to do, but do not give up. Eventually, you will find the treatment that will cure your headache and you will get your life back.